NordVPN is one of the most popular VPNs right now, but is that because of their high marketing budgets or because it is actually good? In this video, we will find answer to that question and check NordVPN's every possible aspect such as its features, servers, security, privacy, device support, streaming, pricing and customer support, and at the end, a final verdict of what I think of NordVPN. So hello guys, this is AK from TechCheck 360 and welcome to a detailed review of NordVPN. So I'll start this video by giving a quick tour of the application itself, and then we'll talk about some of the features offered by the NordVPN through there. So this is how the application looks. It is very user-friendly and easy to use, and as you enter the app, you are welcomed with a giant world map screen that indicates all of the locations of their servers present right at the moment. If you want to connect to the VPN, you can click on this quick connect button right here and it will automatically connect you to the fastest server available in your local region. However, if you wish to connect to a specific location, you can just click on any location on the map and it will connect you to that location, or you can just manually type it right here on the search option. For example, if I want to connect to United States, I can just type it down right here and click on the United States, and it is that simple to connect to any specific location. Now let's talk about some of the really great features that are offered by the NordVPN to its users. So the NordVPN offers a really great set of features, but in this video I'm going to highlight only those ones which I think are really important for you to know when you are considering to get a VPN for yourself. So whenever you are using the internet with your sensitive information live, make sure that you turn on the kill switch. Moving on to our next feature offered by the NordVPN is the split tunneling. Split tunneling allows you to use some specific apps over VPN and some specific apps over the regular internet. Now let's say that you want to use the VPN only for gaming or streaming purposes and don't want any other apps to run on VPN, then you can use this split tunneling feature. Split tunneling also works very great with mobile banking apps and GPS because these specific apps requires both internet connection and your precise location to work. So using these two apps on a VPN is very pointless, and this is where the split tunneling feature comes in hand. Another great feature offered by the NordVPN that I must mention here is the obfuscated servers. Obfuscated servers allows you to use the internet completely anonymously so that no one can track down your online activities or your personal data, not even your internet service provider or the government of your state. To maintain your online privacy and security seamlessly, NordVPN offers a feature called invisibility on LAN. This helps you to keep your device invisible when you are connected to a local area network. Doesn't matter if you are connected to VPN or not. So these security steps offered by this VPN are really up to the mark. So like I said earlier in this video that NordVPN offers a really great set of features, but I have talked about only a few of them which I think are really important for you to know. So you can still explore all of its features once you are done deciding to get the NordVPN or not. But for now, let's move on to the server capabilities of NordVPN and see how strong they actually are. When it comes to the server capabilities of NordVPN, you can see it for yourself that NordVPN has servers almost on every part of the world to ensure a seamless and secure internet experience all around the world. And speaking of some numbers, NordVPN currently operates on 5,414 servers across 59 countries of the world, and all the servers are fast, secure and are P2P friendly. If you are not sure which server will fit according to your need and which server you should connect to do the job correctly, then you can go over to their website and then select for which purpose you want to use the internet and from which country you are trying to access the internet, and then you just have to click on this search option right here, and then it will pop out a best possible solution for your requirement. NordVPN has optimized their servers according to the continents of the world so that users living in that particular region can get the most out of its servers. For example, if you want to connect to an American server, then you can select out from these different regions you are seeing right now on your screen, and you can see what are the features offered by the servers present in these locations. So make sure while selecting a server, it should meet all of your requirements and nothing is left behind. When it comes to the security and privacy, NordVPN doesn't disappoint us. NordVPN uses an industry standard AES 256-bit encryption, which means that a hacker has to try about 2 to the power 256 possible combinations to get into their servers, which means that it is impossible for anyone to crack into their server and try to steal the user's data. And apart from that, NordVPN also says that there is not enough time in the universe to crack the AES 256-bit encryption. Apart from the AES 256-bit encryption, NordVPN utilizes 3 different protocols to ensure the maximum speed and security throughout the regions of the world. The protocols used by the NordVPN are IKEv2 IPsec, OpenVPN and NordLynx. These 3 protocols combined delivers the maximum speed and security to make sure that you are using the fastest internet without compromising with the security. When it comes to the privacy, NordVPN follows a strict no-logs policy. A strict no-logs policy means that the company doesn't keep, collect or track any of the user's data, not even the use time. A strict no-logs policy ensures that your personal data or information belongs only to you and not to anyone else on the internet. These advanced security steps and features works on almost every device in which the NordVPN is supported. And speaking of the device support, NordVPN has an application support for desktop computers and laptops such as Windows, macOS and Linux, smartphones and tablets such as iPhone, Android, iPad, etc. And apart from that, NordVPN is also available to be installed on your router to ensure that your router is completely safe and it cannot be hacked by anyone. Currently, NordVPN allows to connect to only 6 different devices with just one single account, and it can be cross-platform, doesn't matter, it's just one account and 6 devices are ready to go. So in case if you have a number of devices and you want to secure all of them with the security of NordVPN, chances are you have to get some multiple subscriptions from NordVPN. So earlier in this video, we have seen that NordVPN operates on more than 5,000 servers, which means that it has higher chances of unblocking all the Netflix library through the different regions of the world. So now let's just test out how true it actually is and see whether NordVPN is able to unblock all the Netflix libraries or not. I'll just go over to my browser and go to the Netflix home page, netflix.com. So as you can see that I'm in the Netflix homepage and it is currently showing me the library for top 10 in India today, which means that I'm only allowed to see the shows which are permitted by Netflix to be streamed on India. And for example, if there are shows which is only limited to United States, I cannot watch it here. So for example, I remember a show called Weeds, which is I think only available to United States version of the Netflix. So you can see that it is saying that explore titles related to Weeds, American Weeds, etc., which means that Netflix knows there is a show called Weeds on Netflix, but it is not available in the India region due to the geo restriction that Netflix has to impose on some specific content. So how you can fix that? What you should do to fix this error and browse all the Netflix library for the price that you are paying for the Netflix? Well, the solution is very simple. You just have to go over to the NordVPN and connect to the United States servers. So you can see that now I'm successfully connected to the United States servers 8249, and now I'll just go back to my browser and then I'll just reload the page. So you can see that now it is showing me the actual show which I was talking about, the Weeds, which was only specific to the United States, and now it is available for me to watch in the India region. And this does not just only work with the United States or the Netflix, it works with almost every streaming platform with all the regions of the world. So for example, if you want to browse the Hulu from United Kingdom, you can do that. You want to browse the BBC iPlayer, you can do that as well. So in this video, I'm not going to bore you out by testing out all the regions and playing different shows. I have already tested them out and I have found that NordVPN works just flawlessly on some specific regions such as United States, Europe or UK. But if you want to connect to some farther servers, you might experience some latency or delay during the playback of shows, but that can be completely fixed by reconnecting to some different servers. So overall, in the terms of streaming, NordVPN works just fine. When it comes to the pricing, NordVPN has some really interesting plans to snatch out all the users from their competitors. Starting its first plan at $11.95 a month for one single month, second plan at $4.92 a month for 12 months, and the third plan which starts at $3.71 a month for 24 months. And all these plans include all the features and security measures that we have talked earlier in this video. And apart from these 3 subscriptions, you can also get some add-on packages from NordVPN NordVPN such as NordPass Premium or NordLocker Premium with 10 GB of cloud storage. But that's completely an optional deal. It's on up to you whether you want these two deals or not, or you just want to check out with the VPN itself. If you have made your mind to get the NordVPN for yourself, then you can check out the link in the description below to save some extra money on your purchase. So when it comes to the payment options, NordVPN offers some very flexible ways to pay using credit cards, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, ACH Transfer, Union Pay, and if you don't want to share your details online with anyone on the internet and want to stay anonymous throughout your checkout, you can use the cryptocurrency option as well. And you can see that NordVPN accepts payments from these three cryptocurrencies right here. And apart from that, NordVPN doesn't give its users a free month trial or 45 days trial, anything like that, but it ensures that you can get a 30-day money back guarantee. In case the NordVPN doesn't meet your requirement and you want to get your money back, you can get that, no questions asked. Talking about the customer support, NordVPN has a 24/7 live tech support team to address all of the users' problem in just one single go. You can go over to their website and find the solution for your particular problem in the help center, or you can just email the support team and their executive will reach out to you as soon as possible. However, if you want to get a quick solution for your problem and want to resolve it as fast as possible, then you can use the live chat features that they have to offer. So in the terms of customer support and service, you can trust NordVPN without any doubt. Now let's come to the conclusion of this video and what are my thoughts on NordVPN. Clearly you can see it for yourself that the NordVPN does almost everything very good and without any problem. Whether it is streaming, browsing the internet, gaming, or downloading, sharing files over P2P, NordVPN has got no match. And plus, at the pricing that the NordVPN comes, it is a really great offer to get the NordVPN for yourself and use the internet securely and safely. And apart from that, NordVPN has all the features from basic to advanced to ensure a complete, safe, anonymous, and a fast internet experience. And we have also seen all the security measures taken by the NordVPN to ensure the user's privacy while delivering the fastest speed possible. You can trust NordVPN with your data. You don't have to worry about it when you are with the NordVPN. And also I must mention here that NordVPN follows a strict no-logs policy. That means that the company itself doesn't get to look at your data. So overall, NordVPN has all the qualities that you can get in a VPN. So without any doubt, NordVPN is definitely my recommendation. And once again, if you are planning to get the NordVPN for yourself, you can check out the link in the description below. I have managed to get you a special discount coupon just for you so that you can save some extra money on your purchase. So make sure that you check out the link in the description below. So that's it for today, guys. I hope that this video was really informative and helpful for you, and I hope that you were able to make your decision right. And if you want to see some amazing content like this, and you can consider subscribing to the channel, give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.